Porsche. Porsche, 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 Porsche Ferrari. Blonde. Fake blonde. Blonde. Brown blonde. I like blonde. Blonde nice. Why are all Harley? There's a Harley rider behind me. Why? Where the F are you sport bike riders? Get the hell out of your house and go drive, man, or ride. What the hell? I'm this close to buying a Harley and joining their crew. Cause F this, man. You guys never come out to play, ever. Like, seriously, come on out, man.
Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know.
Another Porsche. Lambo. Never mind, girl. Lambo went away, but Lambo peeled out like slower than a baby crawling, so that's not gonna work out. You know what? I'm just gonna give in. I've had enough. Porsche it is. God wants me to. God is trying to show me something. That all I'm ever gonna get is a Porsche. So I'm just gonna give in, and I'm doing it. I'm gonna just chase that Porsche.
You know that you know that yeah. I said, you know that yeah. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
Saw that? He's trying to jump a curb. Just because you got a Wrangler doesn't mean you could jump a curb. Talk about saggy. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna put that part in. I'll just put the saggy part in, but I won't show you guys what though. So use your imagination. If we get the Porsche, we get it. If we don't, we don't. I'm not really in a rush because I honestly don't care. Because it's a Porsche. You guys will know, like, by now, hopefully you guys have seen over, I don't know, 10 videos of Nimbus making love to Porsches. Then you'll understand why I'm so with Porsches, because I've seen so many and Nimbus has made love to so many. So yeah, so you guys will kind of understand where I'm coming from when I am angry with Porsches. My idea is that once I destroy a Porsche, it should just drop out of existence. Gone. Fillet. Fish.
I already, you know that you know that yeah. I said, you know that yeah. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
Triumph. Man, literally is tricked out. Like, he has this Triumph bike, Triumph, a Jackie. That's how you say it in French. Is that a Ferrari? Yeah. Ferrari. Traficante. That's Spanish, right? Spanish with a Colombian accent. So I'm guessing the Lambo should be here. Not the Porsche, because the Porsche was driving like a beast. So excusez-moi. See, I told you, Lambo is going to be here. Not the Porsche. Right here. So we caught up to one thing.
Yeah.
What up, Lambo? But I am for sure know that he's not going to be doing anything. The Porsche should be long gone because he was blazing it. So let's call it chasing a Lambo down / Lambo Gallardo / Triumph dude / blue Porsche. So now all that's left is a blue Porsche. Which if I see an open road, that means he had an open road. If he had an open road, he gunned it. Or maybe he went to the beach, that's why he was churning. I did not think of that. He probably did not go straight. He's right there, I'm playing. Right around the city looking awfully pretty is what I feel like doing. That guy's missing a bumper. Let's go tell him, hey! Ah! Playing. Why the F do I care if he's missing a bumper? Oh, they're smoking some doobie-doobie-doos. I'm gonna get my grown man on with you. Hey guys, can I get my grown man on with you? Just let me know yes or no in the comment section below if I can get my grown man on with you.
Everything you wanna do, I already.
Vibing, man, it's like a vibe. I'm vibing on this beat right now. I'm vibing like Kodak says. ¿Cómo estás? Bien? Prego. Hey, he thinks he's fast. He's in a Z4, and oh, you think you're fast too? You're bald. Shouldn't bald people be faster? Because aerodynamics, you know, bald head. But no, Mutombo, no. But you see, he was trying to blaze by me when I was lane splitting. That's wrong. You shouldn't do that. Let the biker go first. It was gonna cost you half a second. You're slow! And you calm down. You're bald. And no! You're not rushing to a booty call. Trying to act like he's trying to get to a booty call. You not. You bald! Did he hear me? Oh no, I see someone pulling out. No! Every damn time. Come on, man. Get the hell out of the way. Every damn time at that place, someone pulls out on me. But God be looking out for me. God be like, no. Por favor, amigo. Por favor. I gotta talk to you guys in Spanish more. Not to be racist. No homo.
You know that I'm running everything you wanted.
I want to race a Bentley so bad. Excuse me. Nimbus wants to make love with a Bentley so bad. There was a time where I could have made love with one, or let Nimbus make love with one, but Nimbus chose a Mustang. Some old geezer in a Mustang thought he was some hot blank. Hot blank? But he wasn't hot blank. He was a piece of blank. So the Nimbus had to show him that he was a piece of blank. Mother blank. Yeah, so instead of saying beep, I'm gonna say blank. Old lady wants to blank. She blank it. I'll blank with you, girl. See, blank sounds better. All right, from now on, curse words will be replaced with the word blank. And you can have whatever blank you want. Cause blanket, we blank. This right here was where Nimbus made love with the Tesla. Ooh, autorate.
Let's go. Look.
I wonder where it's going. I doubt it is going where I'm going. Abbondanza. What does that mean? Is that Italian? Prego. I was watching Conan, so I'm gonna try saying prego. I don't know. I just don't feel like lane splitting. So much work. I'd rather twerk. Thank you, but I'm not lane splitting, sir. I'll let you split some lanes with your girl, though. No homo. And I'm Bach Bentley. I'm Bach. I can do a really good bane. Not right now. Ooh, Ferrari. I could do a really good bane, but not right now because my cheeks are all squeezed in together. But overall, I could do a very nice bane. Batman, is that true? I can't do it with my cheeks are squeezed. But trust me, I'm not lying. I can do a really good bane. Batman, are you a Batman? Lambo, no, McLaren.
Yeah. You know.
Autorate.
I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night.
If I see another one, I'm gonna turn. Another Porsche up there. Who'da thunk? If they found me, they would rape me. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Lambo.
Why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck.
Oh my god, another one. Oh, you girl. .911 Turbo S.
I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night.
nut chug. Yeah, we're not gonna have any fun with him. Bye bye, Porsche 911 Turbo S. I was blazing. You cut me off, homie. Young blood. You too.
I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with.
I'm sorry, man, but I got to dance. And what do we have? Another Porsche. Spread love, not hate. Simple as that. I probably made his day right then and there. He fell in love. He didn't even know he was into men. Now he does. I already got you guys with me, so that's a twosome. Count Nimbus, that's a threesome. But I want another rider with me so I can make it a foursome. How much more awesome would that be? Since we haven't in a long time. We haven't done it in a long time, man. All right, time to get that nut check. It removes all the sins that I committed today. And well, right, oh my God. This is my way of repenting. All the bad stuff that I said today, all the bad stuff that I did today, it's my repenting. My way of repenting. Repenting. Repention. Is that a word? Ferrari, right there. And I believe I was in order 4 GT before it. The other red one. Ooh, super reflection! Sexy. Awesome making love.
You know, I had this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long
session. The chick waved. Chick nodded to me. She was like, "What's up? I want you." She was like that. Yeah, I saw that. She was like that. Like, get it. She wants it. Give it to me. Kind of like that. She had bedroom eyes. I can tell you that much. Excuse-moi, por favor. Another Porsche Carrera 4S. Open. Abrir. Hellcat. No, it's not a Hellcat. No, F you, liar. Okay, they're filthy rich. You can just tell they're filthy rich. I'm over here selling my body to get through college, and they're going on a shopping spree. I'm joking. I shouldn't say stuff like that. 2 M3s. That's nice. They're probably buddies. Butt buddies. That's the only type of buddies there is. Butt buddies. See, now I can act a fool as much as I want because I am on rain mode. Porsche. Goddamn, how annoying am I? But I love myself. Bye bye, fat dude. Murcielago, right? Yeah, that's a Murcielago. There you go. F me hard. Blank me hard. Blank me hard and call me Rhonda. Calm down, girl. She got angry too. She gets angry. We gotta get past this. That's a lot better. I don't know, I gotta use my instant transmission a lot more. I know it sounds cheesy and corny, but if you got a power, you gotta use it. I'm a Super Saiyan, not just for... What was that? Never mind. Just a Bentley. Alright, so I shouldn't lane split while in race mode because she is glitchy. Not glitchy, but super responsive. So I gotta get out of race mode, otherwise I'm gonna kill these dudes. What up, dog? He liked it. What did I do that he liked? My body. Because he had that back shot. If he had that back shot, that means he got that back.
Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go. Look. I tell Shorty drop it for a real one. Yeah. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't lie to these women. If I want them, then I tell them. Don't get fly for these women. I was born with these propellers. All my haters cannot beat me.